Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about 7 of the best stretches for tight calves. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Your calves may feel tight for several different reasons. The calf is made up of 2 muscles called the gastrocnemius and the soleus. These muscles are taxed daily by walking from place to place or participating in strenuous exercise. When they don't have their normal flexibility, it may affect your distribution of weight and the pressure you're applying to other areas of your body as you move around. As a result, your foot, ankle, and knee may not function how they should. This may cause tightness, pain, and even injury, sidelining you from your favorite activities. Today's video is going to be sharing with you 7 of the best stretches that ease your pain and tightness, so stay tuned. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Triangle pose. This standing pose is a great one because it stretches your hips, hamstrings, calves, chest, shoulders, as well as your spine. It's also great for strengthening your knees, quads, and ankles. To do this stretch, you should stand over the long side of your mat. Open your arms parallel to the floor and hold your palms facing down. Fold your right foot and angle it to the front of your mat. The left foot should be at a 90-degree angle to the right. Both feet are in line with each other. Take a deep breath as you face the right leg. Breathe deeply and stretch your torso over your right leg, twisting from the hip joint. Twist your torso to the left and rest your right hand on your right shin, ankle, or the floor on the outside of your right foot. Stretch your left arm toward the ceiling and make sure that both shoulders are in one line. Keep your head in a neutral position by softly gazing up at your left hand. Repeat on the other side. Number 2. Tiptoes walking. This stretch is a wonderful choice for those who want to stretch their calves. You can perform this stretch by following these simple steps. Stand on both feet with the legs straight. Use the uninjured leg to rise onto the tiptoes. Keeping both feet on the floor, transfer the weight across to the affected leg and lower down, using the good leg to help if necessary. Repeat. Aim for 3 sets of 15 repetitions, twice a day. If the exercise becomes too easy, a person can make it more difficult by bending the knees. Once they have mastered this, they can try performing the exercise on one leg at a time. Number 3. Downward facing dog. This pose could be considered a great whole body stretch. It increases your flexibility, opens your back, shoulders, spine, and hips. It engages the core muscles and hamstrings, too. But one of the most engaging parts of it is your calves. Other physical benefits could be a help to reduce blood pressure, to improve the nervous system because of its inverted V position. It boosts your blood flow to the brain, which also causes mental advantages like improving concentration, memory, awareness, and decreasing depressive symptoms. Among yoga poses, the downward facing dog pose is famous for fighting insomnia and headache. It is not difficult to do. Imagine you want to make a triangle with your body in the ground. Straighten your entire legs, toes on the floor. Heels are about 1 inch up the floor. Now slightly put your elbows on the floor. Your arms should touch your ears, and your back should be completely straight. This is an inverted V position. You can place your palms either on the floor or hold them together. Number 4. Toe-to-wall stretch. The toe-to-wall stretch is ideal if you have stiff calf muscles. It places less pressure on the upper body. This stretch helps mobility by reducing stress on your legs, especially your calves. Follow these steps with the leg that's causing discomfort. Stand facing the wall and place your toes up and against the wall. The higher you place your toes, the deeper the stretch. Lean forward, keeping your heel on the floor. Your other leg is behind you, toes forward and heel on the ground. Hold for 30 seconds. Complete 3 reps. Number 5. Forward fold. This stretch is great for releasing tension in your spine, hamstring, and your calves. If you do this standing stretch correctly, you should feel the opening and lengthening of the entire backside of your body. To do this wonderful stretch, you just need to stand with your toes touching, then bring your hands to your hips and fold forward at your hips. Release your hands toward the floor as far as you can. It is okay to not touch the ground. You should have a slight bend on your knee to prevent some damage. Let your spine lengthen, then release and soften your hips joints. Your chin should be into your chest and your head should fall heavy to the floor. Hold the pose for up to 1 minute. Number 6. Heel drop stretch. If you also want to stretch and strengthen your calves, try this one. Take your yoga block, find a step, or some elevated surface. Step both feet up and position your feet so that your right heel is over the edge. Drop most of your weight into that right heel as it drops toward the floor. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds to a minute, then switch sides. To stretch other angles of your calf, perform this stretch with the stretching leg slightly bent. The heel drop can also be a great dynamic stretch to perform during your warm-up and to test your range of motion. Start with the same setup, but instead of both of your heels over the edge. Drop your heels toward the floor, then press through the balls of your feet as you raise the heels. Repeat for 8-12 reps. Number 7. Stand stretch. This stretch can aid to reduce pain and tightness in the calves caused by sciatica or tensions of heavy exercises. Put your left foot on a high surface at or below your hip level. This could be a chair or a step on a staircase. Flex your feet so your toes and legs are straight. If your knee tends to hyperextend, keep a slight bend in it. Bend your body forward slightly toward your foot. The further you go, the deeper the stretch. Don't push so far that you feel pain. Release the hip of your raised leg downward as opposed to lifting it up. If you need help easing your hip down, loop a yoga strap or long exercise band over your right thigh and under your left foot. Hold for at least 30 seconds, then repeat on the other side. If you are experiencing pain for a long time, please see a doctor as soon as possible, because there is no pain without reason. Have you ever tried these stretches? Were they beneficial for you? Feel free to share your experiences with us in the comment section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.